Alright guys, welcome back. This is the Monday's direction video. We're going to cover mainly the sourcing and the citing of your papers today. I'll do some examples, so stick around if you don't know what you're doing, and I'll make sure to kind of help you out and assist you. I'll give you some examples. Now, these videos are going to end up becoming our attendance videos. So if you're watching it right now, whenever hour that you're watching it, in the comments below, just say that you're here. I'm here. Some of you guys have been doing it before. Now we're going to transition and make this our full-time attendance for anybody who is online permanently or anyone who's online temporary with the hybrid model. As you guys know, we extended it one more week. So we'll be doing this hybrid thing for a few more weeks than we first thought. Okay, so make sure pause the video right now, go down and type in that you're here so I can mark you here for attendance. At the end of the day, before I leave, I'll just make sure to go back through and I'll adjust the attendance at the end of the day. Okay, so let's get that taken care of first and foremost. Perfect. Okay, today is the last day we're going to work on our paper, and like I said, to be on pace with us, the goal was to have it all written today so that you could just do your citations. So here's what you have to have up first. Go to Google and type in citation machine. This is the one that I use personally. Like we said, there's a million out there. We looked at EasyBib before and some other ones, but citation machine is the one that I like. So Google citation machine, it'll be right here. Click on that, and then we'll be ready to input our stuff. So I want to create a citation. Obviously, we're going to start off with the MCIS website. So my source is a website. Oh, I am getting tricked here by this. There we go. Daring me to click on the ads. All right, so now our job's easy. I just got to go to my occupation, so I'm on the MCIS site because we've all used it. So I'm going to use this as my example because we've all used the MCIS site. So I'm going to log in, and I'm going to go to the page that has my occupation on it. So I'm going to go to occupations, and let's just say I want to be an airplane assembler. That's what I've been working on the whole time. So I'm on this page. This has been the #1 page that we've used. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy the link. Paste it into the citation machine. It's going to basically do it for me. Perfect. I want to make sure it's cited though. So we'll do the final step of cite. It'll do some loading, ask me some questions. Yep, all looks good to me. For this thing, we're not going to worry about author's name, so just scroll down and click complete citation. You can add extra information later on. That's more for hardcore. We're not that particular on it. Nice thing is now we just hover over it, copy citation. Now let's say this is my paper. Okay, so here's how you do it. We don't just put the citation in our paper. It needs to be a standalone product. AKA, we have to make sure it's on its own page. And we don't just click the space bar, or we just don't click enter a bunch of times to make sure we get down there. We just do this one thing. We go insert. We scroll down here to break. And then we put a page break. Boom. And now we're on our own page. Nice and easy. We center it. Citations. Enter, enter. Make sure it's back to the left side. And then we just copy our citation. Boom. There's #1 right there. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's do another one here. So, for my example, I keep on using my college for the tuition. So if I want to cite my college for the tuition, I'm just going to go to Google, Winona State Tuition. And I'm going to click on that. So here I am. This is where I went to find my answer for #3, where I had to do some math. So I'm going to cite this one. So again, copy. Go to the citation machine, create citation. Again, we're using a website, so I want to click that. And again, guys, as you can kind of see, it's rather simple. Okay, especially if we have websites, that makes it that much easier. So we'll cite that one again. Yep, all the information looks fine to me. Yep, I'm not going to add anything. Don't need to. Complete citation. Now, the only bad thing about this site is for free, you have to watch some ads. So I'm not going to watch the ad right now, but you guys get the gist of it. Once I'll get that one there, it'll create it. You throw that one there as well, blah, blah, blah. Let's just say that's the citation, even though we know it's not. And you got to make sure they're alphabetical, which This one would not be because according to this one, the H comes first, so we'd have to make sure that this citation goes before that one. So I would just copy it again, and I would just make sure that it goes up above there, and then I can just delete this one. Perfect. And then you have 3 of them. And remember, this one's not really a citation. Just keep that in mind, right? We're just pretending it was cited in that website. So yeah, with a citation, you're going to have to watch an ad once in a while, but that just allows it to be free. So that's how you do it, guys. Hopefully things go good. If you have any questions, email me. But yeah, your citations page will be on its own like this, and then you'll just have 3 things minimum that goes forward. And the MCIS will for sure be 1. Your second site or source or citation will be whatever college you grabbed the tuition number from. And then the third one comes from anywhere. That was kind of a free one for you guys to grab and use. So keep that in mind. That's what a lot of people are working on today, just putting the finishing touches on it. Reread your paper. Make sure you don't have any little silly grammar mistakes. Make sure you use the right word, because if you have a wrong word in there, but it's spelled correctly, it's not going to flag it. So if you use like the wrong there or something like that, it's not going to catch it for you. So reread it. Maybe have a buddy reread it today in class, and then submit it. Due tomorrow, 8 a.m. Okay, so make sure you have it submitted tonight sometime, unless you're a really early morning person. But all right, that's that. Citations today. Paper due tomorrow. The whole thing's due tomorrow, citations and all. Like I said before, for attendance, if you are not in class today, anybody who is not in class today, make sure to comment that you are here during the hour, okay, because this is the attendance now. All right, so make sure you do that for sure, 100%. We're going to start doing that every single day. So tomorrow, the Monday, Wednesday people will be typing in, I'm here, and the Tuesday, Thursday people will not have to. But all right, have a good day working, guys. Have a good Monday. Make it a good one, and I'll see you guys later.